Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and let me show you how to enter the save mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power button, let's choose restart and tap restart again just to confirm the operation. When the device vibrates, let's start holding the volume down, so which is now. Keep holding volume down. As you can see, also the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 logo pops up in this time. But remember to keep holding volume down through the whole time. Don't release this key. And now you can release the volume down. As you can see, the device is in save mode. If you have a pin to your SIM card, you can enter the pin. Tap OK, and that's it. You are now in the save mode. As you can see, you've got disabled the third part app, so you can make sure how your device handle without any installed apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's use the power key right here. Choose restart and tap restart again to confirm the operation. Now the device is booting into the normal mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. And here we've got the pin request, so if you have a pin on your SIM card, you can enter the pin, tap OK, and as you can see, the device is in normal mode, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.